guys, it's Amanda, also known as Amateur Aries, and today we're doing this golden smoky eye look using just Profusion Siennas palette, which is new now at Walmart. I bought it and I wanted it, so I got it. And there is a couple of different palettes out instead that have a lot cooler colors. The reason why I grabbed this one is because it has shades I actually don't have. Like this yellow is actually fairly pigmented, which for me is hard to find a yellow that is fairly pigmented. So I grabbed this palette instead because, well, it has colors I don't have, so it's more logical in my opinion. Although other ones were really pretty. I can't afford them all. So this is the one I grabbed. So if you'd like to see how to get this look using this new palette, which only costed $10, feel free to keep watching. Also, this is not sponsored. I just purchased this and I was like, oh, this is pretty. So let's do a video on it. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoy. As I have mentioned, I am just using Profusion Siennas palette. I'm starting off with Serenity, is that how you say it? Adding this to my crease and blending it up towards the brow. Add more color as I go until I get the pigmentation I want. Next, I am taking Dynasty and blending that into the crease as well, but a little lower than the yellow so to give an ombre of colors. Now taking the color Tickled along with a damp brush, I'm packing this onto my lid, covering majority of the lid. To smoke out the look, I'm using Madly. With a small brush, I am patting this color where I want it at the end of my eye before blending in with a much fluffier brush. Taking Madly, I'm going to further smoke this color out on my lower lid, bringing it to about halfway on my bottom lid. Taking Exclusive, I'm going to apply this on the front of my lower lid to help brighten the look. To highlight my brow bone, I'm using the color Palete. For mascara, I'm using Marcelle's Curling and Lengthening Mascara in black. For falsies, I'm using Kiss Blowout Lashes in Page Boy. For lipstick, I'm using Profusion's Matte Lip Cream in Imagine. And that's how you get this look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe. And if you like to see more makeup videos, keep on watching because this is also a makeup channel, not just a mental health one. So I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. And again, like, comment, and subscribe.